In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete verification codes automatically on iPhone. So each time you have a verification code on your device, it could be text or email, then your iPhone can easily delete this verification code once it expires. So this is a kind of a security measure to protect your account. So this is a kind of a security measure from iPhone. So if I done this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to delete verification codes automatically on any iPhone, it could be an iPhone with a Face ID or an iPhone with a Touch ID. Just go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, you just need to scroll down and tap passwords. Then click on password, this. Now, once you selected that, you need to hang on for this page to load. Then go ahead and confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID to open the password page. Then once you open the password page, you have access to all the password you saved on your iPhone. Now go ahead and click on password options. Then here there is a feature called delete after use under verification codes. Make sure you click on this button to turn it on. Then once that is turned on, this will automatically delete verification codes in messages and mail after they are used. So that's all you need to do to delete verification codes automatically on any iPhone after use. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.